Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, it's loud. So, today, me, Donna, Aisha and our friend Kate, we're doing kind of like a come dine with me, who's the best cook, and then when I go out later, obviously I'm the best cook. Before I start this video, guys, the most shocking thing just happened. I was standing outside waiting for Aisha, who's just arrived now, and a guy just gave me his drug business card. Who does that? He was like, I've got the best cat, the best weed, if you want some, call me. He's disguised it yet as a bounty castle like business. Who even? But anyway guys, you guys could be the judge who the best cook is today. Let's get it. Donna, this is so cute. Oh, obviously I'm at the head of the table because, you know, Beyonce waits for no one. Well, we both are then. You look very cute, I like it. So you've got Chico's place there. Catherine.
You look cute before I get roasted again.
Donna. Yeah, you better say I look cute as well, otherwise we're gonna have a problem. What does it say? Aisha. Gay rights, we love everybody, guys. You know, we don't discriminate, you know. Support your friends in their decisions. So guys, I'm in charge of the starter and I'll be making some ciabatta with homemade soup. So guys, my starter is a homemade lemon chicken noodle Thai soup with some ciabatta, which has got chili, one's chili and one's like lemon and herb. Obviously homemade, guys. I cooked this from scratch. Didn't you see?
She's lying.
What did you say, Aisha?
I said you're lying.
Behave yourself.
Okay, so I was there when Chico bought her homemade Thai soup. And I was there when she bought the ciabatta bread that she can't spell. It tasted really nice. The lemon was a bit overpowering. I don't think Aldi did a very good job in making it, to be honest. But that's just my opinion. So for that reason, I'm going to give Chico a very generous 8.
So for the starter, Chico made a Thai noodle soup, which was homemade. Sorry, so packaging in the paper. We're gonna let it slide. But it was very, very overpowering with the lemon, but had a bit of a kick to it. Very, I'd say an oriental taste, but I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. But yeah, it had an oriental taste. It was nice. So Chico is gonna get a 7. Did you use it to eat your bread?
No, she just didn't give me one. She doesn't like me. Thanks, Donna.
Wait, no, whatever you call it, Donna.
Donna?
Yeah, well, on Donald. It was Donald.
Donna.
Donald twice. I've got Donald twice now. 2019.
I'm sorry. Guys, her name is Dana. But I call her Donna. If you guys watched That's So Raven, do you remember That's So Raven with Donna Cabana? The fashion... Donna Cabana. I thought it was Donna Cabana. That's why I call you Donna. Go on, Donna. Do you want to explain this meal to us?
So for the main meal, we've got capri stuffed chicken, capri chicken stuffed mushroom with fondant potatoes and buttered broccoli.
And how long did it take you to microwave this meal? Yeah, from scratch.
For the main, Dana did a stuffed mushroom with mozzarella cheese, some potatoes and very nice broccoli. I was very impressed. Somebody needs to wife her up. Guys, get a ring on it. Go get her. I would wife her up. Chicken capri.
Stuffed mushroom.
Mushroom.
Chicken capri stuffed mushroom.
What was it again?
A chicken capri stuffed mushroom.
I knew that.
Start again.
Okay. We've got to do the entire thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So for the main, Dana did a chicken capri stuffed mushroom with potatoes and broccoli. I was very impressed. Somebody wife her up. It was lovely. So I'm just genuinely going to give her a 10 purely because I'm fussy and I loved it.
Oh, behave yourself. 10 out.
Oh, I actually.
Get out. No, this is staged. This is fake. Fake news. So guys, you know me, I'm a bit of a food connoisseur, you know, I like my certain foods with wines. So for Dana's main, I mean, it was mediocre at best. I mean, there was no seasonings, no spices. Did she not know I'm African? I'm only joking, I'm joking. No, I'm not. Why would you season it with salt and pepper? Who do you think I am? I'm joking, I'm just joking. Anyway, all jokes aside, her food was amazing. I mean, I did tell her what to make, so it was all my idea because, you know, she didn't know what to do. I was like, yeah, put some chicken, stuff it with some mozzarella, some broccoli, mushrooms, you know. You're welcome, Dana. You're welcome. But all jokes aside, yeah, it was very, very nice. I'm not gonna lie. I hate the fact that it tasted so good. So, for that reason alone, I'm gonna give you a solid 9 out of 10. Yeah, do it, girl. What? Oh shit, let me join the bitch. I like this song, it's very nice. It's very calm. Unshaken D'Angelo. By D'Angelo. Why? Hey. What? Damn. Oh, stop it. Oh, stop. Okay. I've had enough. Okay. My poor eyes. I'm walking away. Goodbye. What the hell was that? Oh my god. Doesn't matter, just do some Bollywood dancing. Yes, girl. Your country's watching, yes. I'm Spanish. Oh, whew. It's a bit much.
I'll just turn this off. My homemade jam roller poly in it.
So Aisha, what is the dessert that you made?
So for dessert, it's gone for something a bit sweet but very traditional and classic. Jam roly poly, homemade. And homemade custard because I'm that much of a bomb. Enjoy.
So guys, we're ending the night with some cheese and crackers. Cheese, crackers, and wine.
So, I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Me and Aisha are soulmates. She knew exactly what kind of dessert I wanted, although it was store-bought, so I had to go and buy a third dessert because the wine counts as second. So Aisha made us a lovely jam roly-poly. Well, she didn't make it, she bought it, which we found out after she left. She made a jam roly-poly with custard, So the custard is what brings it up from me because I love a good pot of custard, as an English person does. And for that I'm going to give her a 6.
So personally, I don't like being lied to. So, you know, Aisha was probably bigging it up like, yeah, homemade jam roly-poly with some custard. The custard was store-bought and so was her jam roly-poly. Aisha, you think you're smart, yeah? We figured you out. So because she lied, I'm going to have to give her a 5. So guys, personally, I think it was fixed. I think the judges talked behind my back and gave Dana higher points for some reason. Obviously, guys, that chicken Thai noodle soup, yeah, I put my heart and my soul into it, like, and people don't even understand, and that's what they score me. But anyway, you know, I'm not a sore loser. I guess Dana wins. Let's show her prize. What's your prize, Dana?
Me.
Go get it. What did you win?
I won this lovely indoor plant that I bought earlier in Morrison's for £1. Lovely pot. I thought it would really bring my room together because I knew that I would win, and it's gonna sit her on my windowsill, and then when I get a nice pot for it, I think it will look lovely. Yeah, this was definitely fixed. Anyway guys, write down below who you think had the best dish. Obviously I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm so upset. I should have won. This was fixed though. We need a rematch. No, I'm not having it. No.